Yeah, good morning all of you children.
Good morning, sir.
So, previously we have discussed in our last class, we have learned how to construct a pie graph. What is another name of pie graph?
Circular graph.
Actually, circular graph. The another name of circular graph is pie graph, isn't it? And how you find the angle of sector in that? There is
Sir, total angle into 360.
total angle into 360. Is it right?
Sir, no sir.
Normal value into total value into
Take out the mask and tell me.
Hey,
Hey, these many people are answering means how? Shyam sir, tell me.
the total value by one value by the total value into 360.
One value by the total value into 360, something like that. Okay. 90% is absolutely right. Simply value of item by total values of item into 360. Value of item by total values of into 360, that is angle of sector, isn't it? So that angle of sector is very important for constructing pie graph. Is it clear? Now all graphs are over. Of course, in your higher classes still some more graphs are there. Cumulative frequency curves, those are called as OGs. Okay, not later. Anyhow, next year we will discuss about that. Leave it now. But coming to today, one more topic is there, a small topic, that is only introductory part of the topic. Extension of that one we are going to learn 9th, 10th, plus 1, plus 2 also in that about. That is probability. This is the topic, man. Today we are going to discuss. What is that? Probability. I think you might have learned or heard about the word probably in English. Probably it may rain. It may rain. That means what?
There is a chance.
There is a chance. Yes, absolutely. Chance. Chance of occurrence. Chance of occurrence is nothing but probability. Chance of occurrence means what? When there is a raise of question, chance of occurrence. Chance of occurrence, when that type of question it may be raises, that means something should be happened. Something should be happened. For suppose you are going to write an exam. What are the chances? You may fail or pass. That means to get the chances, something should be happen or not. Are you clear or not? You are going for doing batting. While playing cricket match, you are the opener, you are going to do batting. What are the chances? Out or not out, or say making century, or else defending 10 balls without score. So many chances are there. But to get all these chances, what the things should be happen? We have to go for doing batting or not. That is. These are the things are called random experiments. What are those called? Random experiments. Without these random experiments, we should not get the chances. We should not get occurrences. Happens. Things are happening. Okay. For suppose, when I am ready to write on the board with a marker, it may work or it may not work. How it may work or it may not work, it will becomes when I am going to ready to write down something on the board. Are you clear or not? So, whatever the chances occurring, if you want, definitely something action should be happen. That something action is nothing but an experiment. That something action is nothing but a random experiment. Experiment means don't think only science experiments. Don't think chemical reaction, something like that, science experiments. Experiment means, for suppose I want to jump into the well, that is an action. After that we'll come out or we'll completely sink in that well, that is let or leave it. But Jitendra won't completely sink. One thing will be, that is different. Are you clear? But jumping into the well is the experiment. Those are all general daily life situations. Huh? Or suppose somebody want to go to picture. Which picture they want to go? Many pictures, chances are there. Upena is there. Jambi Reddy is there. Crack is there. Crack already old. These are all chances. Are you clear? So what is experiment here?
Something we are going to.
Going to movie is an experiment. These are all the things. Or else any movie that is okay. But whereas coming to this, probability means actually they will tell chance of occurrence. Okay. Actually the pure definition is the quantity of measure of the situation which is happened or an experiment is happened. The numerical quantity of an experiment is called probability generally. Now coming to mathematics. For suppose I am going to toss a coin. Tossing coin is what? Random experiment. Tossing coin is experiment. When I am tossing coin, what will? It shows heads or tails. These are what? Showing head and showing tail or chances. Those are called, as per probability chapter, those are called outcomes. Those are called outcomes. Outcomes means what are the results which are comes out. When a random experiment is happen, then those are called outcomes. So, coming head and coming tail, total outcomes are called possible outcomes. Total number of outcomes are called possible outcomes. Possible outcomes. Are you clear? For suppose, how many are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let us take 20 members are there. Now I want to call one student here. So how many outcomes I may have? How many chances I may have? 20 chances I may have. Out of 20, I can call anyone because all students only. That 20 is possible outcomes. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Possible outcomes. For suppose, in that I want to call one girl. What is the probability of getting a girl student? What is the probability of getting a girl student? Like that if I ask the question. Then what? How many girls are there? 6 girls are there. Out of 6, any girl we can call it. But possibility favorable are 6. Out of total students, 20 students. So that is 6 by 20, 3 by 10. It is the measure of that incident. 3 by 10 is the measure of that incident getting a girl student. When someone is asking to call one student, what is the probability of getting a girl student means 3 by 10. This is called probability. That 3 by 10 is called probability of getting a girl student. But how I got this 3 by 10? That means we should know what are possible outcomes, what are favorable outcomes also. What are possible outcomes, what are favorable outcomes. The total number of students is possible outcomes. Because out of 20 students I am calling one student. But which student I want? Girl student I want. As I want girl student, that is the favorable. Are you clear? That is the favorable. So, probability is nothing but number of favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes by number of possible outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes by number of possible outcomes. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the numerical measure. Generally, chance of occurrence is nothing but probability. Leave it. Probably means what? It may or may not happens. Most probably, I may get first class. Probably, I may become a billionaire, something like that. It is never happened. Maybe. Are you clear or not? Whatever it is, that's what. But chances of that. Are you clear? So, probability means the numerical measure of that thing. Simply, actually no need to write numerical measure. Probability means the chance of occurrence, you can write it. But if you want to express in some quantity, measure that this is the way you can measure that. Are you clear or not?
Sir.
For suppose, for suppose, there is a bag. There is a bag. In that bag there are 3 red balls, 4 blue balls, 5 green balls are there. Randomly they shuffled. All the balls are shuffled. I want to take one ball. One ball. Which should be a red. It should be a red. Then what is the probability?
3.
What is the probability?
3.
Red means how many balls are there?
3.
3 balls are there. Only 3 chances are there. How many total balls are there?
13.
Because 3 plus
13.
4 plus 5. This is 3 plus 4 plus 5, 12 na?
Yes, sir.
12 balls are there. There is a chance of getting 12 times. Are you clear or not? 12 balls are there. See, my 20 students are there now. I want to call one student means any one of you, no problem. So 20 chances are there. But I want only girl student means what it is? Out of those only. That is the favorable.
Yes, sir.
Like here also, how many total chances are there? 12 chances are there. Because of that bag contains 12 balls.
Yes, sir.
Because of that bag contains
12
12 balls. Also, from the 12, all are not my favorite. What I want to know, what I need? Red ball. So how many favorable are there?
3.
3. So the formula, what is that formula I told you?
Number of favorable
Number of favorable outcomes by number of. Favorable outcomes how many? 3. Possible outcomes how many? 12. That is equal to 3 by 12 means how much? That is the probability. 1 by 4 is the probability. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Don't say only 3. Only 3 means it is meaningless. Because how many chances are there? Total chances. 12 chances are there. Out of 12 chances, 3 chances are my favorable. Because of I want to get the red ball only. So the 3 by 12 is the probability. Are you clear? Is it clear or not? Like that anything. Are you clear? So here, this is the way we can find out the probability of any event. Probability of any event. Okay? When that action is happened, that is called random experiment. What are the results which will come out? Those are called outcomes. In that, all outcomes are known as possible outcomes. In that, whatever we desire, whatever we want, that are called favorable outcomes. Are you clear? Are you clear or not? And now, for suppose, here I am tossing one coin. Here I am tossing. When tossing a coin, what are the possible outcomes are how many? 2. Possible outcomes are how many? 2. What are those? Either heads or tails. Now can anyone say what is the probability
1 by
of getting
1 by 2.
tail?
1 by 2.
1 by 2 only. What is the probability of getting heads?
1 by 2.
Probability are same or not?
Yes, sir.
whenever the probability is same, whenever the probability is same, then those are called equally likely events. What are that? Yeah, those events. Events means what? Getting tail, getting heads are events here. Are you clear? So those are called equally likely events. Equally likely events. For suppose, when I am going to on the fan, tell me, is it is equally likely event or not? When I am trying to on the fan, I will switch on the fan. Na? Is it equally likely events or not? What are the chances? When I on the fan, it may works or it may not works, because the fan is repair or current is not the something. If it may not works, always it should be works. Or tell me,
No, sir.
there is a chance. Probably there is a chance of not working also. So, but what are the possible outcomes are there? Works or may not works. But what is the probability of getting working? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. What is the probability of getting not working?
1 by 2.
Probability same or not? When probability is same, then those are equally likely events or not? Yes, those are equally likely events. Understood?
Yes, sir.
For suppose here, yesterday I went to some market and I purchased some fruits. Some fruits. In that fruits, 10 apples are there, 10 oranges are there, 10 guava are there. Guava is also fruit or not?
Yes, sir.
How many apples are there? 10. Okay, yesterday I gave this bag to Jairus. The bag which is contains 10 apples and 10 oranges and 10 guavas are there. So, what is the probability of getting an apple?
1 by 30.
What is the probability of getting an apple?
10
by 30. How many apples are there? I told you. 10 apples are there. How many oranges are there? 10. So total how many? 30. Total how many are there? 30. Total 30, but I need apple. How many apples are there? 10. In that 10, anyone I can take now. In that 10, anyone I can take. So favorable how many? 10. 10 by 30. That is equal to how much?
1 by 3.
What is the probability of getting orange?
1 by 3.
Orange also 1 by 3, because orange also 10 only. So 10 by 30, that is equal to 1 by 3. And guava?
1 by 3.
So getting a fruit, probability of getting an orange, probability of getting an apple, probability of getting guava is equally likely events or not?
Yes, sir.
How you are saying those are equally likely events? Those are same probability. What quantity? Probability. The events are having same probability. When the events are having same probability, those are called equally likely events. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Because you have to do that exercise completely by your own by seeing this video. Understood? Because nothing is there. What is there? Very simple now. One thing, children. Of course, more than this, some combinations and combination of one apple and two reds like that questions will be there. That will not discuss in this class. In your higher classes, that is little difficult. Leave it, not now. Okay, but in our class only the thing is how many favorable, how many possible. Then probability equals to favorable by possible. That's this formula is very very important. Are you clear? Are you clear or not? And also you must know about when any random experiment is happened, what are the chances you will get that thing you must know. When a coin is tossed, what are the chances? When one coin is tossed, what are the chances, ma? Yeah, one coin is tossed means heads or tails. Heads or tails. For suppose Mr. Vallabhai is not satisfying with one coin. He want to toss two coins. He want to toss 2 coins. 2 coins means what are the chances? Tell me. 2 coins means what are the chances? Both must show heads. It is one chance. Both coins it may show. Both coins it may show tails. Or else first coin is head and second coin is tail. Or else first coin is tail, the second coin is head. Any other possibilities there? Both heads over, both tails over. One head and another tail is over, and first tail is, next head is over. So what are the, how many outcomes it came? 4 outcomes. Are you clear? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
When 3 coins, can anybody guess?
Six.
When 3 coins are happened and 3 coins are tossed, then we will get 8 outcomes. 8 outcomes. Actually, there is a formula. When a coin is tossed, generally how many outcomes? 2 outcomes. So that is fixed, na? That 2 power n is the formula. N means number of coins. N means one coin means 2 power 1. How many? 2. 2 coins means 2 power 2. 4. 4 we got it or not? 3 coins means 2 power 3. 2 power 3 how much?
8.
2 into 2 into 2 how much?
8.
8 chances you will get it. Is it clear? What are those 8? Generally it is not necessary for you. It is a little bit important in 10th class. But play as per the order you can take 8 chances. 8 chances means what? For suppose only one tail you can consider the place. 3 coins now. In these 3 places, first tail there may be heads. Like na, Mr. Dheeraj, look at you. So based on the tail, I am considering tail now first. Tail, head, head. Now this tail goes to here. And again the tail goes to third place. So these are the chances of place of tail. Now I am considering head. Head, tail, tail. Head will goes to middle again. Head will goes to next. Sorry. Tail, tail, head. So chances of places of one outcome is fixed. Not only these, all tails, all heads. Now see, other than that there is no chances you will get it. All 8. But this is not necessary for your 8th class. Just I want to explain. Are you clear? Is it all about probability and outcomes? Now a small question I will ask you. Think and tell, what is the probability of having birthday date as 30 in the month of February?
Month of February.
What is the probability of getting a birth date as 30 in the month of February?
Sir, it is not happened to February, not from February. Sir, leap year.
Leap year 30.
Yes.
February month 30.
No,
It will be
sir.
there? No, we should not get.
Sir.
Such type of events are called impossible events. Such type of events are called as
Impossible.
Very good. Miss Dheeraj said impossible. It is not possible. Possibility is not there. Because of in the 30th February, how many days are there? 28 only. Some extension leap year means 29, but not 30. Never possible. So that is impossible event. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is very, very important. The probability of impossible event is 0. The probability of an impossible event is
0.
Have you understood impossible event means what? It never be happen. There is no possibility of that. What is the probability of having 15 as a birth date? In the February month. 15 is chance is there. 1 by 28. How many 15s will be there? 115 only in the month of February. I mentioned it, February. But for suppose if I ask the question, what is the probability of getting a birth date as a 15?
12 times.
12 times. 12 by, and 12 is probability. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
12 to 12. Then how many total months means if you can add it, all the dates you can add it. All the months, 30 days, 360. 12 by 360. We can 365 we can write. Are you clear? So such type of things are called sure events. What are that, Mark? Sure events means definitely it will be happen. Definitely it will be happen. Sure events. Impossible events. Impossible events probability is how much? 0. Because it never be happen. Are you clear? Are you clear or not? So, if you want to find number of outcomes for coins, this is the formula. One more mathematical tool is also there. That is also given. Not I hope every one of you having an idea of a die.
Yes.
Die.
Yes, sir.
Not hate die. When a die is thrown.
Yes.
When a die is thrown, what are the possible outcomes? 6. 1, 2, 3. Possible outcomes means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 you can tell. Okay, number of possible means 6 you can tell. Are you clear? When a die is thrown, do you know about the die or not?
Yes,
What is the plural word for die? Dice. Are you clear? When a die is thrown, it may shows 1, it may shows 2, it may shows 3, something like that. 6 outcomes you will get it. What are those 6 outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you clear? Now, I am giving the statement. What is the probability of getting an even number when a die is thrown? What is the probability of getting an even number when a die is thrown?
3 by 6.
3 by 6. Don't say 3. Pawan Kumar, you are little bit anxiety at that. Pawan is telling with lots of anxiety he is giving answer. But complete answer he is not giving. Half answer only giving. Do you like half only? Not full. What is this, Mr. Pawan? So, yes, 3 only. What I am asking the question here? What is the probability of getting? Even number. How many events are there? 1, 2, 3. So, those 3 are favorable outcomes. Those 3 are? Total of how many outcomes? 6 outcomes. So, what is the probability? That is final answer. 1 by D is the final answer. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear or not? What?
30 minutes.
I bet